Good evening, class. It's nice to see you guys again tonight. So, tonight we are going to learn a new chapter. Okay, guys. Excited? Hopefully, you guys feel that way because we're learning something new today. Okay, so today we're learning chapter 14, talking about the first day at work. Okay, so this is actually the continuation of the previous chapter. Okay, we're still talking about John. Yeah, and then yesterday, John was applying for the job. Remember, guys? And then in this chapter 14, John was actually hired by Lintel. Oke, jadi di chapter ke-14 ini kita akan berbicara, mempelajari tentang bagaimana sih hari pertama John saat dia bekerja. Oke, jadi di chapter yang ke-13 kita sudah melihat bagaimana situasi saat John itu melamar pekerjaan di perusahaan Lintel sebagai analis keuangan. Oke. Kemudian di chapter yang ke-14 ini ternyata John itu berhasil mendapatkan pekerjaan di perusahaan Lintel. Oke. Dan di chapter ini kita akan melihat bagaimana sih situasi yang dihadapi oleh John saat hari pertamanya bekerja di perusahaan Lintel. Alright, guys. So, the situation is John was hired as a financial analyst by Lintel. Today is John's first day at work. Okay, so let me give you a quick example how the pronunciation of the conversation is going to be. Okay, and then after that I'm going to need some volunteers. Okay, you guys turn. Okay, really quick. Good morning, John. Good morning, Mike. Let me take you to your cubicle, and then I will give you a tour of our facility. Here is cubicle 8 to 5 every day, John. Oh, very nice. Drop your belongings here and let's go. Okay, I'm ready, Mike. That is Mary over there. She is our senior financial analyst. You will be working with her in the future. Let's go say hi to her. Mary, this is John, our department's new addition. Welcome aboard, John. I'm very glad to see you. Boy, I was swamped with work the last couple of weeks, but I can see myself going home at a more decent time from now on. Thank you. I'm very happy to be here. Just let me know whenever you need me. I'm glad to be of any assistance. I'm giving John a tour of our facility so that he knows his way around here. See you later, John. Okay, Mary. We are now in the finance department. Next to us, on your left, is the accounting department. On your right is the human resources department. Go downstairs and we are in the engineering department. Further down, at the end of the hallway is the production area. 70% of our merchandise is produced right here in this facility. We also have one smaller manufacturing facility overseas that handles the rest of the production. You will be dealing with Steve, the production manager. I will introduce you to him later because he is in a meeting at the moment. Let's go back to your desk so that we can talk about your duties. Okay. Like I said during the interview, one of your daily jobs is to deal with the bank to keep track of our financial resources. Every morning, you will access our account through the internet to get financial information. I should have a login and password, right? Yes. I will call our bank and inform them that you are our new employee. Your next task is to call overseas to get our necessary information. What kind of data do I need to get from it? You will need financial data about their current and future projects. Do they need any information from me? Yes. You need to work with them on their budgets. You can fax or email them the information. If you need to talk to them, call them as soon as you get in. Remember that they are 8 hours ahead of us. The fax machine and the copier are in the next room, right? I saw them when you took me around. Yes. Make sure that you create a file for each overseas project. You and I will review them at the end of every week. In the beginning, can you review the files with me more often? I just want to make sure that I do my job correctly. Yes. Come see me whenever you have questions. Thank you. It is almost the end of November, so your next major task is to help prepare the budget for next year. You will work closely with Mary on this project. That is a long and tedious task. That will be a lot of calculation and a lot of question to ask, right? Yes. So it is better that both of you start working on this project as soon as possible. I will get together with Mary soon. Okay, that should be enough for now. I'll leave you on your own to get organized. Thank you, Mike. All right, guys. So that's a quick conversation between John, Mike, and Mary. Okay, now let me translate it really quick, guys, so you have a better understanding. That way it's gonna help you guys with the pronunciation and then the intonation, guys. Okay, that's crucial. Okay, situasi yang terjadi di bab ini adalah John sudah bekerja, sudah diterima bekerja sebagai analis keuangan oleh perusahaan Lintel, dan hari ini adalah hari pertama John bekerja di perusahaan tersebut. Kemudian John bertemu dengan Mike, yaitu manager, I believe he's the financial manager. Okay. And then John berkata, selamat pagi John, selamat pagi Mike. Okay. Oke, mari saya antarkan kamu ke cubicle. You guys know, right? And ada ruangan yang kecil-kecil, meja dan kursi yang di kotak-kotak begitu ya, di tempat kerja. Oke, mari saya antar ke tempat kerjamu, dan kemudian saya akan mengajakmu berkeliling untuk melihat kantor kita. Oke. Nah, ini adalah tempat kerjamu, cubicle. Oke, that's and this is it says your home away from home. Oke. Jadi karena dia bekerja dari jam 8 sampai jam 5 setiap hari, jadi cubicle ini, tempat kerjanya ini disebut sebagai rumah kedua lah, ya, rumah kedua, home away from home. Oke, rumah keduanya. Oke, kemudian John kata, wah bagus sekali. Oke, sekarang taruh barang-barangmu di sini dan kita berangkat, kita pergi melihat-lihat kantor, begitu kira-kira. Oke, saya sudah siap, Mike. Oke, kemudian Mike berkata, oke, yang di sana adalah Mary, dia adalah analis keuangan senior. Oke, kamu akan bekerja dengannya. Oke, kamu akan bekerja dengannya. Kemudian mari kita menyapanya. Oke, kemudian Mike berkata, Mary, ini adalah John, pegawai baru kita. Oke, kemudian Mary berkata, selamat datang John, saya sangat senang bertemu denganmu. Oh boy, maksudnya seperti kata pengungkapan kata-kata oh gosh, oh my god, like that, okay, like that, okay. Saya selama last couple of weeks, beberapa minggu terakhir ini saya sangat-sangat sibuk, okay. Tapi sekarang saya dengan kedatanganmu saya bisa pulang lebih kerja, saya bisa melihat diri saya ini pulang kerja dengan waktu yang tanpa overtime, maksudnya tanpa kerja lembur, oke. Jadi intinya Mary berkata dengan kedatangan dengan dipekerjakannya John ini, dia dapat pulang lebih awal, maksudnya tanpa harus bekerja lembur, oke. Kemudian John berkata, oh terima kasih karena Mary sudah menyapanya, berkata selamat datang John, oke. Saya sangat senang berada di sini, oke. Just let me know whenever you need it. Bila kamu butuh sesuatu, saya selalu tersedia, oke. I'm glad to be of any assistance. Saya akan sangat I'm glad. Saya akan sangat apa ya? Saya bersedia untuk memberikan bantuan kapan saja, kira-kira begitu ya. Oke, kemudian Mike berkata saya akan menunjukkan John tour di kantor kita ini, jadi dia bisa tahu bagaimana dia harus berkeliling sendiri, oke. Kemudian John berkata, oke, see you later John, sampai jumpa nanti John, oke Mary. Kemudian Mike berkata, oke, sekarang kita berada di departemen keuangan. Di sebelah kita, di sebelah kirimu adalah departemen akuntansi, oke. Di sebelah kananmu adalah departemen sumber daya manusia SDM ya. Kemudian go downstairs, di lantai bawah adalah departemen engineering, oke. Engineering apa ya engineering sih? Bagian engineering ya, oke. Kemudian di the end of the hallway, di bagian hallway aula ya, seperti aula begitu, di ujung aula itu ada bagian produksi, oke. 70% dari produk kita ini diproduksi di sini. Kemudian kita juga ada sisanya yaitu 30% itu diproduksi di luar negeri, oleh perusahaannya, tapi yang lokasinya di luar negeri, oke. Kamu akan bekerja sama dengan Steve, bagian manajer produksi, oke. Saya akan mengenalkannya padamu nanti karena saat ini dia sedang rapat, oke. Nah, sekarang kita kembali ke mejamu dan kita akan berbicara, kita akan membicarakan apa tugas-tugasmu, oke. Oke, kemudian Mike berkata, oke, seperti yang saya katakan saat wawancara, oke, tugas harianmu, salah satu tugas harianmu adalah terkait dengan perbankan, oke. Jadi kamu akan keep track of our financial resources, oke. Kamu akan mencatat semua sumber-sumber keuangan kita, oke. Setiap pagi kamu akan mengakses rekening melalui internet untuk mendapatkan informasi keuangan. Kemudian dia berkata, dan kalau begitu saya akan mendapatkan login dan password. Kemudian Mike berkata betul. Saya akan menelpon bank dan menginformasikan mereka bahwa kamu adalah pegawai baru kami. Kemudian tugas berikutnya kamu harus menelpon ke luar negeri, ke perusahaan yang berada di luar negeri tersebut untuk mendapatkan informasi lainnya. Oke, what kind of data? Oke, data atau informasi apa saya butuhkan dari orang-orang di luar negeri tersebut? Oke, kamu akan unit financial data apa tuh? Kamu akan meminta data keuangan tentang project yang sedang ditangani mereka saat ini maupun untuk project yang akan datang. Perencanaan project yang akan datang. Apakah mereka akan membutuhkan informasi dari saya? Betul. Oke, kamu akan bekerja dengan mereka dengan anggaran yang mereka miliki. Kamu dapat memfax atau meng-email mereka informasi tersebut. Oke, bila kamu kamu butuh berbicara dengan mereka, silakan telepon mereka saat kamu masuk kerja, karena mereka karena perbedaan waktunya mereka di sana 8 jam lebih awal dari kita. Oke, the fax machine mesin fax dan fotokopi berada di ruang sebelah sana. Betul? Apakah betul? Saya melihatnya saat kamu mengantarkan saya berkeliling kantor. Betul. Oke. Pastikan kamu membuat file untuk setiap project yang berada di luar negeri. Kamu dan aku akan mereview file tersebut setiap akhir minggu. So in the beginning, di awal kerja saya, apakah kamu bisa mereview file tersebut lebih sering? Instead of only once a week, at the end of the week, John is asking for more often. Okay? Jadi dia berkata, apakah saya bisa mereview file tersebut dengan saya lebih sering? Saya hanya memastikan bahwa saya melakukan pekerjaan saya dengan benar. Ya, kamu dapat bertanya, kamu dapat menemui saya bila kamu punya pertanyaan apa saja. Oke, terima kasih. Kemudian Mike berkata, ini sudah hampir akhir November, jadi tugas besar kamu selanjutnya adalah membantu untuk mempersiapkan anggaran tahun depan. Kamu akan bekerja dengan Mary untuk proyek tersebut. Kemudian John berkata, wah, tugas ini sangat akan sangat memakan waktu yang lama dan tedious itu seperti a lot of boring and frustrating, a lot of energy to put it in there, okay? Akan memakan waktu yang lama dan energi, okay? Akan banyak melibatkan perhitungan dan banyak pertanyaan, betul? Ya, betul. So, jadi ini sebaiknya kalian berdua memulai proyek ini secepatnya. Oke, saya akan menghubungi Mary secepatnya. Oke. Kemudian Baik berkata, sepertinya cukup untuk saat ini. Oke, saya akan memberimu waktu untuk mengorganisir segalanya. Oke, terima kasih Mike. Oke, kira-kira begitu hari pertama John di tempat kerjanya ya. All right, now it's your guys' turn. I need volunteers to do these role plays, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 9 guys. Okay, 9 volunteers. Okay, see Nani. I'll have Nani do mics. I have Nani do mics dialogue number 1 until number 4. And then I'll have Shirley doing John number 1 until number 6. Miss Fu is going to do mics number 5, 6, 7. Miss Lily is doing mics number 1, Mary's number 1 and 2. And then mics number 8. All right. Rosella. I'll have Rosella doing mic number 9 until 11. Miss Fanny is doing John number 7 until 10. Windy, you are doing mics number 12, 13, 14. Diane is doing John's number 11 until 15. And then I'll have Jane doing mics number 15 until 17. Okay, cool. Allow me to repeat again, guys. Okay, now Nani is doing mics number 1 until number 4. Shirley is doing John's number 5 until number 6. Miss Fu doing mics number 5, 6, 7. Miss Lily is doing mics number Mary's number 1 and 2, also mics number 8. Rosella is doing mics number 9 until 10. Miss Fanny is doing John's 7 until 10. Windy is doing mics number 12, 13, 14. Diane is doing John's number 11 until 15. And then mics 15, 16, 17 is taken care by Jane. All right. Allow me to unmute you guys. Okay. Focus on the pronunciation. Okay, and then the intonation, guys. Okay.
Good evening, Miss.
As if you are talking facing each other. Okay, guys. Good evening, class.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Miss
Good
Susan.
evening.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Yeah, let me see. Good evening, Miss Fanny. How's it going?
Very well.
Hey, who else? Not this. Diane, allow me to unmute.
Miss Susan disappear. Hello, Miss Susan.
Well, actually, let me see. My internet is under maintenance, okay? That's why the last couple weeks has been on and off, okay? All right, let me see. Everybody already unmuted. Okay, perfect. Except for one, Jen. Okay, Jen. All right, time is yours whenever you're ready, guys.
Good morning,
Nani.
John.
Is Nani here?
Good morning, Mike.
Let me take you to your cubicle and then I will give you a tour of our facility. Here is your cubicle, your home away from home. From 8 to 5 every day, John.
Oh, very nice.
Drop your belongings here and let's go.
Okay, I'm ready, Mike.
That is Mary over there. She is our senior financial analyst. You will be working with her in the future. Let's go say hi to her. Mary, this is John, our department's new addition.
Welcome aboard, John. I'm very glad to see you. Boy, I was swamped with work the last couple of weeks, but I can see myself going home at a more decent time from now on.
Thank you. I'm very happy to be here. Just let me know whenever you need me. I am glad to be of any assistance.
I'm giving John a tour of our facility so that he knows his way around here.
See you later, John.
Okay, Mary.
We are now in the finance department. Next to us, on your left, is the accounting department. On your right is the human resources department. Go downstairs and we are in the engineering department. Further down, at the end of the hallway is the production area. 70% of our merchandise is produced right here in this facility. We also have one smaller manufacturing facilities overseas that handles the rest of the production. You will be dealing with Steve, the production manager. I will introduce you to him later because he is in a meeting at the moment. Let's go back to your desk so that we can talk about your duties.
Okay.
Like I said during the interview, one of your daily job is to deal with the bank to keep track of our financial resources. Every morning, you will access our account through the internet to the financial information.
I should have a login and password, right?
Yes, I will call our bank and inform them that you are our new employee. Your next task is to call overseas to get other necessary information.
What kind of data do I need to get from our people overseas?
You will need financial data about their current and future projects.
Do they need any information from me?
Yes, you need to work with them on their budgets. You can fax or email them the information. If you need to talk to them, call them as soon as you get in. Remember that they are 8 hours ahead of us.
The fax machine and the copier are in the next room, right? I saw them when you took me around.
Yes, make sure that you create a file for each overseas project. You and I will review them at the end of every week.
In the beginning, can you review the files with me more often? I just want to make sure that I do my job correctly.
Yes, come see me whenever you have questions.
Thank you.
In like 15. It's Jennifer's. I don't see Jennifer's here. Okay, there she is.
It's almost the end of November. So your next major task is to help prepare the budget for next year. You will work closely with Mary on this project.
That is a long and tedious task. There will be a lot of calculation and a lot of questions to ask, right?
Yes. So it's better that both of you start working on this project as soon as possible.
I will get together with Mary soon.
Okay. That should be enough for now. I leave you on your own to get organized.
Thank you, Mike.
Okay, guys, thank you. Okay. Okay. Most already pronounced very good. Okay, a lot of improvement on the intonation also. Okay, just need to emphasize on some words. Mike's number 5. All right, here. Okay, these guys. Analysts. All right. Okay. So, she is our senior financial analyst. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, let me see. There was Miss Full part. I have her fix it. Financial analyst. Where is Miss Fu? Okay, there she is. Let's try again, Miss Fu. Financial analyst. Okay.
Financial analyst.
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 Very good. Okay, because ends with a T, so analyst.
Analyst.
Okay,
Analyst.
analyst. Very good. You got it. Okay, excellent. Okay, next I'll have these guys. Remember, okay, the spelling is the same with our language. John's number 8. John's number 8. Okay, what kind of data? Data instead of data. Okay, because there is no there's no in English. It's a data. Okay. Alright, spell the same. Tulisannya sama, tapi pengucapannya sedikit berbeda. Okay. Let's see John number 8. Miss Fanny. I'll have Miss Fanny. Miss Fanny. Okay, give me 1 second. second. I don't see. Okay, there she is. Let's repeat after me, Miss Penny. What kind of data do I need to get from our people overseas?
What kind of
Data.
data do I need to get from
And
our
the T
people
is kind of
overseas?
silent. Okay.
Data.
Nah, kemudian dalam bahasa Inggris pengucapan T-nya itu seperti D, oke, seperti D ya. So it's gonna be data instead of data, okay? Like accounting, there is no accounting, it's accounting, okay? Data, okay, like that, okay? Let's try again.
Data. What kind of data do I need to get from our people overseas? Data.
Sorry, Miss Susan.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Okay, hang in there, guys, because this my our Wi-Fi, the MNC is like I was checking the email there, like having the last week. I don't know. Anyway, let's continue with Miss Fanny earlier.
Yes,
Right?
Miss.
Okay.
John number 8.
Okay, Miss Fanny. So, remember, yes, John number 8. So, we don't, kalau T-nya itu kita saat pengucapan jadi kita akan seperti accounting. Instead of sounds like thing, we're gonna say
Data.
thing, accounting,
Data.
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 Okay, let's try again. Data.
Data. What kind of data?
Jadi T-nya jangan kentara.
Data.
Jadi saat pengucapan T-nya itu TA, data, like that, okay?
Data.
Just keep on trying. Very good. Just keep on trying the T, then you should be able to do it, okay? Like accounting. Data.
Accounting.
T. Pretty is not pretty. Let's be pretty.
Pretty.
That okay. So another one, Jonathan. Let's have here. I need to correct is I saw them when you took me around. Okay, the word is saw.
Like number 11, current, what mean, Miss?
Current project, okay? Project saat ini dan di masa rencana project see number 10 to okay, the word saw. Saw. Jadi di sini ucapannya adalah so-nya pas so okay. So okay.
Putus-putus, Miss.
Okay.
Putus-putus, Miss. Nggak ada suaranya.
Okay, so let me try to switch from the hotspot to the Wi-Fi now to work. Okay, how about now? Is it better?
Current number 11. Mike.
Yes, current.
Yes, Miss.
Current, okay? Current means saat ini. Jadi project yang sedang yang direncanakan untuk waktu di masa I saw them when Okay, Miss Fanny still here with me?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Can you repeat that? I saw them.
What kind of data do I need to get from our paper overseas?
Yeah. Just keep on the clock. What I need to saw. I saw them. John's number 10, okay? All right, then let's move on, guys. Okay? So we're gonna do the expression in the following meeting. Okay, I'll send you guys the PDF of the explanation of the expression, and then the next meeting we'll do the this. Okay? Let's move on to these answers. Need a volunteer peers. Okay. Let's see. Got their turn. So you okay. We go. Okay. See here. Okay. So and make sure that you guys try video. This is okay. See. And why then question number 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 4, 5, 6. Shirley will do a question number 7, 8, 9.
Putus-putus, Miss. Nggak
Do
denger.
8, 7, 8. Will do 7, 8, 9. Okay. And you we need to do question 10, 11, and then Miss will do answer 10, 11. Okay. All right. Hopefully it's clear now. Okay? We unmute you guys. Okay. Unmute. Okay. Unmute guys.
Sorry. What kind of number that I should?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Hello.
Dia Shirley. Okay, let me pull this. I'm not able to unmute Dian. Okay, so
Sorry, Miss. I can hear what
there's is.
you say.
Dian, okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys. All right, hold it, okay? Jane and Miss Lily, 1, 2, 3, okay? Rosella and Miss Fu, 4, 5, 6. Yes? Okay, and then Miss Lily and Jane, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, Miss.
Yes?
Yes,
Rosella,
Miss.
Rosella, Miss Fanny, 4, 5, 6, and then Miss Miss Shirley and Dian, 7, 8, 9. Yes? And then Windy and Nani. Sorry. Windy and Miss Fanny, 10, 11. Got it, guys?
Yes, Miss. I got it.
Okay, perfect. Let me pull it up. Okay. All right. You may start, guys.
Do I need to fill out any paperwork?
The Human Resources Department has some paperwork for you to fill out.
Do I need a badge to get in? Do I need the badge to get in and out of the building?
Yes, you do. The Human Resources Department will take care of that also.
What are my hours?
You can either work from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or start your days at 9 a.m. and get off at 6 p.m.
Do I need to clock in and out every day?
No, not at your position.
Are there any breaks in between?
You have a 10-minute break in the morning and another in the afternoon. Lunch is from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m.
Are new employees subject to probation time?
There is a 90-day probation for all employees.
What are the employee friend benefit?
Company offer
The company has insurance 5 sick days and 2 weeks vacation per year to all new employees.
Do I need to work closely with, say, a departments? Any department?
Yes, as an accountant, you will be dealing with all departments.
Will I be involved in the preparation of the annual budgets?
Yes, the preparation of the budget is part of your responsibility.
Do I need to use Microsoft Excel?
will need Microsoft Excel, Word, and access to do your job.
Let me give you a tour of the facility. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, guys. Very good. Okay, just a quick revision here. Okay, number 3. Okay, hold it. Number 3. Okay, pay attention to this, guys. Okay, let me remind you guys. Okay, Answer number 3. Okay, 3A. Okay, you can either work from 8 a.m. It's a.m. instead of em. It sounds like I heard Miss Lily. Miss Lily says 8 em. Did you say em or am?
8 a.m.
Yes, so it's ABC, right? So
Yes, Miss.
8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
PM.
Yes?
Okay,
Okay,
Miss.
very good. Other than that, you're
You,
doing
Miss.
great. Okay, thank you. Okay, very good. Other than that, pronunciation are perfectly done by you guys. Okay. Well, let me see. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson for today. Okay, for the following meeting, please get yourself ready for the comprehension test. I'll explain more details about the the expression. Okay, so you guys have a more understanding of this, some of the phrases and idioms. Okay, so try to answer a little bit, okay, some of the comprehension tests, okay, and then also go through the discussion. Okay, so it's you guys have a better understanding before we do the class together. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you for hanging in there with dealing with my internet connection. Okay, thank you for joining the class tonight. I'll see you guys next week. Okay.
Thank you, Miss. See you
Okay,
next
Thank
week.
you,
thank
Miss
you
Tan.
guys. You're very welcome. Have a nice week.